What if you could talk to someone who speaks a different language, and a computer could translate your words in real time? You can already see this in action when you use a translation app on your phone. But have you ever wondered how it works? It's like having a superpower in your pocket. You can communicate with anyone, no matter where they're from. Let's explore how this magic happens. Imagine you're at a restaurant, and you want to order food, but the waiter only speaks a different language. You can use a translation book to help you communicate. But what if you could have a personal translator who could understand what you're saying and translate it in real time? That's kind of like what a sequence-to-sequence model does, but instead of translating languages, it translates input into output. It's like a super smart, high-tech translation book. So, how does this sequence-to-sequence model work? It's made up of two main parts, an encoder and a decoder. The encoder takes in the input, like a sentence in one language, and breaks it down into a special code that the computer can understand. The decoder then takes this code and translates it into the output, like a sentence in a different language. It's like a game of telephone, but with computers. The encoder whispers the input to the decoder, and the decoder whispers the output back to you. Let's see an example of how this works. Imagine you want to translate the sentence "Hello, how are you?" from English to Spanish. The encoder would break down the sentence into a code, like a series of numbers and words. The decoder would then take this code and translate it into Spanish, like "Hola, ¿cómo estás?" You can see how the sequence-to-sequence model is like a bridge between the two languages, helping the computer understand what you're trying to communicate. So, why is this technology so important? It can help people communicate across languages and cultures, breaking down barriers and bringing the world closer together. Imagine being able to talk to your friends who speak different languages, or being able to understand what's happening in a foreign news broadcast. It's like having a superpower that can help you connect with anyone, anywhere in the world. So, let's recap what we've learned. We've seen how sequence-to-sequence models can translate input into output, like languages. We've learned about the encoder and decoder, and how they work together to help the computer understand what you're trying to communicate. And we've seen an example of how this technology can be used in real life, like translating sentences from one language to another. It's like having a powerful tool in your toolbox, ready to help you communicate with anyone, anywhere in the world. Next time, we'll be exploring how these sequence-to-sequence models can be used for even more advanced tasks, like generating text and images. It's like having a magic machine that can create new and exciting things, just by using the power of AI. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you can stay up to date on all our latest lessons and adventures in the world of AI.